Hi friends, welcome to my channel Civil Guru 04. We have finished chapter number 6 and now we are going to start chapter number 7 with exercise number 1. In this exercise we will learn that how to create a surface profile for any alignment of the road in AutoCAD Civil 3D. So before starting, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Civil Guru 04 and you can also like my Facebook page Land Developer and Architect Designer. Here you can share any issue about land surveying and AutoCAD Civil 3D. So let's start our exercise number 1. How to create a surface profile. I want to tell you something before starting this exercise, that one of the first steps in designing the vertical aspect of a linear feature is to analyze the shape of the existing terrain along that feature. We have learned how surfaces are used to create 3D model of the shape of the ground in previous chapters. We have also learned that there are many potential uses for surfaces other than displaying contours or labeling spot elevation. One of these uses is the creation of profiles from surface data, which helps with the design of linear features such as road, channels and pipeline and so on. When a profile is created based on data within a surface like this, it's applied named a surface profile. A profile of surface maintains a dynamic link to the surface it references. In fact, a surface profile is tied to both the alignment and the surface used to create it. If either one's changed, the surface profile is also changed and updated. So in this exercise number 1 of the chapter number 7, we will create a surface profile along the horizontal chord alignment. So take your notebook and write down all the steps for this exercise. It's a very small exercise actually, but it's the basic of profiles, that how can we create a surface profile for any alignment in AutoCAD Civil 3D. Step number 1, open the drawing name surface profile .twg. You can locate them in a description. If you did not get that, kindly write down in comment box. I will send you that personally on your email address. So step number 2, click the horizontal chord alignment. When you hover your cursor, if you have not the name of your alignments, when you hover your cursor here, it will tell you that it's your alignment and what's the name of alignment and styles, layers, stations also. So you can know about your entities in AutoCAD Civil 3D like this. So now I can see it's the horizontal chord alignment. I need to select them. When you will select, you will see the contextual tab with recommended commands of Civil 3D. So now we need to click on surface profile. Step number 4. Step number 3, in the create profile from surface dialog box which you have open, verify that alignment type is selected horizontal chord, because we are going to create surface profile for horizontal chord alignment. Then step number 4, under the select surfaces, select If you have not selected, then you click here and it will select EG surface, existing ground, then click add and then click OK. Step number 5. In prospector tab, here we have prospector tab, expand alignments, then center line alignment, because our Jordan code alignment is our center line alignment actually. So if you see here, it's a plus sign, then click on plus sign and it will open more options. So then after center line, expand Jordan code and then profiles. You should see EG surface. If you want to expand this tab, you can see clearly here EG surface we have here. You should also notice a small range or small orange triangle next to the Jordan code. This you can see, this is here, and also you can see the small orange triangle we have also here. This indicates that there are objects in the drawing that are dependent on this alignment. In this case, the dependent object is the profile we have just created. So step number 6, right click on the EG surface and select properties. Step number 7, on the information tab of the profile property dialog box, change name to Jordan code. Jordan code EGCL. You can put your name according to your alignments. Then click OK. Now you can see under the profile we have a profile for Jordan code alignment. Although prospector shows you that a profile has been created, you have nothing graphically to view in a drawing for vertical profile. To display a graphical representation of the profile in your drawing, you need a profile view, which we will create in the next exercise. Hope you understand that how can we add our surface profiles. We have many methods for surface creation of profile in AutoCAD Civil 3D, but it's the basic and a proper way of creation of surface profile in AutoCAD Civil 3D. Step number 8, save and close your drawing, and we will start in exercise number 2 with from these steps, and it will another exercise but it will next to them. Hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest notification about latest video. Thank you.